Let's go. Go. Where? Oh, guys. Naglalakad kami dito sa mga... Oo nga, ang cute. Nice dress. Oh, it's raining. But we're walking around here in night market. Yeah. With Maki. Miss O and Miss Mary. Say hi, everybody. Oh, look.
Hi everyone!
Hi, Miss Maki.
Kapunta!
Kapunta!
Sawadika!
Sawadika! Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go! Thank you! And guys, enjoying here. Shopping. Shopping. Okay. Walking around. Oh, look. There's plenty. Here. Souvenir. Souvenir. And we have McDo here in Chiang Mai. McDo. Look. We're downtown Hotel. And Marriott Hotel here. And we're going upstairs to buy something to them. So, this is it. Here's the McDonald's here. McDonald's.
Oh, ito pa oh, parang
They're
food
sitting.
street. Doon dyan tayo mga food trees.
And we have also food trip here. Look. Oh, guys. At it's raining here. So, this is it. We have Hard Rock Cafe here in Chiang Mai. Look. Hard Rock Cafe. Here, this one. And look. There's plenty stall here of food. Around the corner. And around the corner. There's the Marriott Hotel. No? And we're going here. And this is it. Thank you. Good night. And God bless you.